All right, let's go. We're gonna make a Whiz real craft American cheese whiz steak. There you go. Got our meat. Lay it on out. Oil. There's that sizzle. All right. Season, salt, pepper. Ready to go. I'll let that ribeye cook. A little extra oil, that's me. All right, so you're gonna get your Whiz in your pack as a cheese choice. Only thing you need to do, refrigerate it once you have it. Once you're ready to use it, pop it in the microwave, 30 seconds. Give it a good stir, another 30 seconds, and it's gonna be ready to go. Again, nice chop. All right, that's perfect for me. A little moderate chop, breaking up that tissue. All right, there we are. Always looking to form it in the shape and size of your sandwich. All right, we're gonna let it cook. The key to a proper Whiz steak, you don't want that Whiz sitting on there very long. But what you want to do is you want to lay it on there, and then you want to incorporate it into the steak right onto the roll. Double check our cook here. We got no red. All right, I think we're ready for some Whiz. All right, our hot Whiz. A little stir. All right, right onto the steak. You're gonna get enough Whiz for 2 sandwiches here. All right, there you are, and then you just want to give it a good flip. Incorporate it. I say 4 times on the flip, each section, and you're ready to go. Got the professional spatula here. 1, onto the roll. Oh, this is beautiful, love it. There we are, look at that. That is a perfect Whiz steak.